What's up, you guys? We are in our yard, and we are by the chicken coop over there. Just got back from Tractor Supply, got a whole bunch of different things. Say hello. We just got a whole bunch of things to get the fencing up for the chickens, and oh, Rigel would like to wave at you. Get the fencing up. Wow, Robert's making a lot of noise. And get like everything just set up for the chickens, because we're gonna get some soon. So I guess we'll just show you guys what we got going on. All right, we got Muscle Man over there. Woo.
So
that is for the gate. Oh my goodness, right? Robert thinks he's a Muscle Man over there. That is the gate that we're gonna be using. Got T-posts. Got some bedding and got some feed and some fencing and all the things. Here we go. Hi, little buddy.
what's up? We got our fence line in, we got our gate up. So there's the gate. We got our fence line mapped out. We opted to have all of this, like this, open, so outside of the fence, and the coop door outside of the fence. That way if we are out of town and we have somebody coming to get eggs, they don't even have to battle the chickens. Like, they just literally walk out here, they get the eggs, or if they need to go inside, they can go inside without having to actually come into the main chicken yard. So just kind of did that for simplicity's sake there. And they got pretty much 100 feet of run that way and like 20 feet that is fenced in. And we're only going to have a handful of birds, so they're going to be happy.
All right, super hot out here today, but we also wanted to mention that this run that we have on the outside, it's the 100 by 20 foot. It's actually only going to be really for when someone else is watching them. That way they're not out in the yard, like when we're out of town or something. And we will, when we're home, we're just going to let them out in the yard and do whatever they want to do, roam around, get bugs different places, things like that. So they'll be able to like really be free out there. But this run that we have going out here will be really nice if people are watching them, or you know, we're gonna be gone the majority of the day or something like that. So just wanted to say that they get to roam around the acreage, which is awesome, and then we'll bring them in at night again. So that's it. This little guy has been a little helper over here. He and I are about to go inside because it's a little bit hot out here, so we need an inside break, drinking lots of water, and maybe a little bit of electrolytes. Those abs. And our handy dandy helper. He keeps crawling like this all day today because I think he doesn't want his knees on the ground, and it's hilarious. What a manly man over here.
Yeah. Alright, 10 feet.
Yeah, I'll get it in 3 hits.
Alright, here it is. Crystal's doing all these. Hustle, hustle. See her muscle. One more. Woo! What do you think about this T-post driving business?
In case you were wondering, we live in the Ozark Mountains, and that means we have a lot of freaking rocks.
This will wear you out more than a gym workout, huh?
So, like, I feel like 90% of these, Robert was like hitting a rock. So
yeah, gotta love
there's
it.
That.
Gotta love it.
Day 2. How's it going?
What's up?
How's it going?
This thing's kicking my ass. I'm tired. Tired.
We're exhausted. But at least it's a little overcast today.
We're making headway though.
We are. Alright, so it's day 2. Today is Sunday and we are working out here again, trying to get this stuff up and running because we're supposed to be getting chickens next Monday. We're supposed to be getting chickens next Monday, and we have no other days to be working on this until then. So we're trying to get it all done today. But it's already like almost 6 o'clock, so we're just trying to do the best we can. This camera, like, I'm so sorry. I look like a hot mess, and the camera's going all over the place. But I'm gonna show you guys what we have. We have 2 different kinds of fencing. So we have this stuff right here, which is taller, which is about 6 foot. And that's gonna help keep the chickens in because they will be able to fly over this shorter chicken wire there on the bottom, that thinner or that smaller gauge stuff. So we have the chicken wire on the bottom so to keep things out, keep the chickens in, and then this up here to make sure that they don't fly over the top of it. But it's kicking our butts for sure.
What is going on, y'all? We are pretty much done with the coop. Not sure what all we have on video, so we got this. We got the metal roof on. I got a couple leaks I gotta fix, but that should be pretty easy. We got our latch mechanism here, so we're gonna have steps so we're not having to reach up so tall, but we'll have steps, make it easier to get in there. Then we just simply latch with the carabiners onto that hook, be able to have that held up so we can easily get the eggs. The way we've got this broken down, let me show you. I think we showed you the coop already, right?
Yeah, last video.
So yeah, we got the coop, which y'all have already seen, the laying boxes, the roost perches, we got some cedar shavings. I also ordered a solar powered light and automatic chicken door. Those will come in tomorrow and I'll install those and show you what
we're gonna put the chicken door down there.
Yeah, chicken door will be down there. Rigel
just keeps crawling into everything.
Alright, so there's the inside of the coop. And we're predominantly gonna have them, you know, free range and running outside. But if we're ever traveling for a conference or whatnot, we'll have whoever's checking on the chickens to be able to access and get the eggs and whatnot. And then the chickens won't free range. So we have this covered up here so they can't get underneath the building. We still have to put the chicken wire on the gate itself. But we got the gate, so we'll put chicken wire there. And then we're gonna go back through and we're gonna wire all this together so there's not as much slack in all this fencing, but haven't gotten that far yet. But we have basically a 70 by 20 chicken yard here, so that if we are out of town and they need to stay cooped up, they have plenty of yard to do so. We opted for the 6-foot fence, so that should ward off any predators and the chickens, you know, from flying over and whatnot. So we should be good there. And the way we structured this is we have this like little chicken run here. We'll have the door coming out. We'll have that automatic chicken door coming out of that wall. So they'll come out and they'll be able to access the run. If we're free ranging them, we'll just leave the gate open. But the reason we did this is because if we have people coming to get the eggs from us, then they can literally access the eggs without ever having to fight off chickens. Or if they need to get into the coop, they never have to go through the chicken yard. So pretty easy access without having to really worry about, you know, somebody getting chased off by chickens and whatnot. So that's kind of what we got going on now.
We got a sweet water and a food thing, and we'll show them
we got
after
a cool,
we get the chickens.
like 12-gallon water thing and a feeder. So we'll show you all of that. We'll show you the final upgrades once we get those in and we get the automatic chicken door and all that good stuff. So we got one more video to show you what the final upgrades are, and then obviously when we get chickens. But his is pretty much, for all intents and purposes, the build is complete.